Hey everyone, welcome to H2H Lifestyle. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the bobbin on your sewing machine. It's a quick and easy step that can save you from a lot of frustration, so let's get started. First, let's open the bobbin compartment. You'll want to lift or slide the cover off to expose the bobbin case. Next, carefully remove the old bobbin. Gently pull it out of the bobbin case. Be sure to check if there's any thread tangled up before you remove it completely. Now, take your new bobbin. If it's not already wound with thread, place it onto your bobbin winder and wind the thread around it according to your sewing machine's instructions. If your thread is too big or bulky, make sure it's securely wound on the bobbin to prevent it from slipping off. A little extra attention here goes a long way. Once the bobbin is wound, place it into the bobbin case. Make sure the thread is unwinding in the correct direction. Usually, it'll come off counterclockwise. This is really important to avoid tension problems while sewing. Once the bobbin is in place and threaded correctly, close the bobbin compartment securely. Now, thread the bobbin into the machine by guiding the thread through the tension discs and thread guides. Gently pull the thread to ensure it's seated properly. And that's it. Changing your bobbin is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified when